Welcome to working with Adobe FIREFLY. So here we are just on the interface and just on featured aspects of how you can use it. And you can see there's audio, image, translate video, video itself, text to video, text to image. So what I want to show you is just a couple of little examples of how you can put something together just using AI. So on the image here, you can actually create all sorts of images and just build those up based on your image. But what I want to do is just two key areas is image and video. So if we look over here, we've got the video as well. And there's new features coming out all the time, so it's really, really impressive. So let me just take you through what it is we're doing here. So at the moment, I've got just a whole series of stills. And let's just start off with this one to begin with. So here's a still. It's taken to an image asking for a DNA interfered with, if you will, scientific extra added to the fauna and local environment. And here's a few other images as well. Some are more deemed to be more graphic and conceptual style, like these are, but they're all playing with alien DNA based on a concept for a movie called Salivation. And it's just a concept, but here's the kind of desired piece that I want to go with. So let's have a look at what you can do with the image. For example, I'm going to take this through to my video, and you can actually choose here to render it with a prompt, which I want to actually also, just out of view here, is the aspect of how I want to zoom in, zoom out, pan up, pan down, etc. And I can just generate based on this prompt. So just to take you through to see what this particular one looks like, now I'm just going to go through here and I'm just going to load up just the video file. The video file here, and I'm just going to play this one through, and let's have a look at that prompt and what it looks like. So as you can see, it has an amazing output to it, asking it to both zoom out, I'll play it again, and actually have a bite at the camera person or the viewer of the show or sequence here. All totally generated with AI and Adobe FIREFLY. So, thank you for watching.